Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS FX series laptop. This one is a FX553V model, and in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step guide how to install your Windows 10 or 11, or in this case it's a Windows 10, the proper way by the time you get to the desktop and you don't have all those bloatware installed, that third-party programs that Microsoft makes a deal with them, affiliated programs that are installed in your desktop, to how to avoid them. All right. We have installed a new hard drive in here, new solid state drive, and I made a short video how to create your Windows 10 USB boot drive. I'll leave those links in the video description. In this video, I'm just going to quickly go over how to install it. Pretty much you want to put your Windows USB inside any of the port, and then you want to power on, and because there is no Windows on my hard drives, so it's going to automatically start looking for a boot drive, and it will go through my USB boot drive. But if you have a Windows and you just want to format, you have to tap on F12 constantly when you power on, and then it's going to give you a boot menu to choose where you want to start your boot. And you're going to choose your USB. This screen is broken. There's a tiny line in the middle. And there we go. And we can see it's loading up the Windows from my USB. And down here, let me see if it's going to focus. And there we go. I'll leave it in this position so the light doesn't bother. This one is in Spanish, but it's pretty much exactly the same thing in any other language. So pretty much you choose your language, English, in this case it's Spanish. You want to click next. So let's just click next. And you click in the middle button which says install now. And after this, we're just going to wait a few seconds. You want to click I don't have a product key. Click on this link right in here beside the next. Click on that. Click I accept the terms and servicing for licensing. Click next. Now in here you want to choose the bottom option. You don't want to choose the update in here. So you don't want to choose the top. You want to go to the bottom. The customize, you should say customize. Click on the customize. And in here, you're going to see a whole bunch of storage. If you see one or two, doesn't matter. You just want to click on them and click delete. So you want to delete all the partitions that you see in here. Just click delete. Once all the partitions are deleted and you're left with one drive only with capacity and there's no more delete button, is grayed out, then you don't want to click new. You just want to click next. Now it's going to start installing the Windows, and it's going to do one or twice the restart. And it's going to take you to a welcome screen. You're going to put the Windows name, whatever name you want to put on your Windows, and the password you want to create. Just make sure, this is very important, you don't want to plug in the Wi-Fi. If it asks you for the connect to your Wi-Fi network, click I don't have a Wi-Fi access. Continue with a limited configuration only. Click on those links, limited configuration, whenever it's asking, and you should get to the desktop within 5 minutes tops. So I'm going to let this one run, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So right now I did its last restart, and you just go, it's going to ask you for the names and passwords, and when you see a connecting to the internet, you're going to click I don't have or limited configuration until you get to the desktop. So in here it says choose your region. I'll choose Mexico. Click next, you choose US, and keyboard layout, click yes, and escape. And then put here it says Wi-Fi, and just click I don't have internet. Even if you do have it, you don't want to connect it, click next. And in here you want to click continue with the limited configuration. And the next step is just put your laptop name, password until you get to the desktop. Once you're in the desktop, it's really simple. Alright, it says almost there. And once we are in the desktop, all you want to do, you want to quickly go to the start menu, and you're going to see these arrows right in here, and there's a whole bunch of arrows in here. You want to right click on them and you want to unmount these ones, and just click uncheck them. It says unmount, there's a pin icon on it. Just unmount them, unhook them, whatever it is called. You want to do this on all of these arrows, because as soon as you connect to the internet, if you don't remove these ones, there's like 5-10 of them in there, Candy Crush and many other stuff, they're just gonna get installed automatically. But as soon as you remove this one, they will not get it. All those programs won't get installed. Once you're done with this one, now you can actually connect to the internet, connect to your Wi-Fi or with a cable, and go to Windows Update, which is on this configuration, and Windows Update all the way down. And you can do a few updates, and it's going to install all the drivers that is required, and you should be set to go within 10 minutes probably. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in the video comment. I'll try to help you guys as much as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe to support the channel.